In this presentation, I'm going to discuss the 5 most compelling membership sites for you to start. If you want to start a membership site but don't know what you want to do, several compelling ideas can get up and running in no time. If you have a WordPress self-hosted site and a WordPress membership plugin, you can get up and running with very little expense and time. Here are the 5 best membership sites that you can start and find success. The Evergreen site. The Evergreen membership site is probably the most common one to get into. The content on these sites is relevant for a more extended period. This kind of site will typically provide information to members a little bit at a time over a set period. This kind of site is excellent if you are sharing articles or information that doesn't require you to spend time on upkeep. Dripping out your information in this way will keep your members coming back often and provides you with the opportunity to sell them higher-level packages or products. The community site. A community membership site will keep your members engaged by helping them connect and engage with each other. Protected forums and communities can create some of the most loyal memberships of any of these membership site ideas. Community forums are great for your members to have the ability to interact with one another, discuss your products, and get their questions answered. The courses site. If you have suitable material, you can lock down your courses and protect the privacy of your students. This is accomplished by creating memberships-only areas on your site. Those participating in your sessions can be given a password to log on to these private areas. Once you upload your content, you're good to go. When you keep all your course material in one place, you eliminate the need to send videos, workbooks, and essential updates individually. The buffet site. This type of site provides its members with access to all of the content that is available at the same time for a recurring fee. This is similar to the Evergreen model, but without the slow release of information. This kind of site usually works best for protected, embedded video content. Keeping your content relevant to this type of site is essential. The Content Mill site. This is a very lucrative but extremely labor-intensive membership site model. Starting this kind of membership site will require you to set up a system for delivering relevant content regularly. This could be anything from a podcast to a full-scale periodical. You'll want to think about your domain of expertise and see which area makes the most sense for your business.